Assalamu alaikum students. I am your IT teacher Shahid Ali Khan and today I have a video about Sparkline chart. So today we will understand that what is Sparkline chart and its different types and how can we insert Sparkline chart in our Excel sheet. So let's start first the definition of a sparkline. A sparkline is a very small line chart typically drawn without axis or coordinates. There is no need for axis or coordinate, means x-axis, y-axis data, etc. It presents the general shape of the variation in some measurement such as temperature or stock market price in a simple and highly condensed way. Normally, the sparkline chart are used to show the different trends in the stock market prices and the temperature values and so on. So normally it represent a graphical picture in a small area, so that is called sparkline. So how they are look like sparkline. So let's see, there are some examples of a sparkline. As we can see, the sparkline chart is showing in different lines form in front of different variation of values. We can see this is the sparkline chart that is showing the trends of different values up and down. There is another example we can see of a sparkline chart showing the data variations or ratio in a small graphical form. We can see there is up and down showing different trends of data in sparkline. Okay student, now we will apply the sparkline chart in Microsoft Excel. In this way you can understand then how could we apply sparkline in Excel data. Okay student, now we are here in Microsoft Excel and we have already a sheet. You can see on the screen there is a different values related to the company's values and change are also given. We can see on the sheet. Now we are going to apply the sparkline chart on this numerical data. So how could we apply the sparkline? First of all, we have to move towards the insert tab. As we can see, the insert tab is given and different options of insert tab are coming in front of you. As we can see, the different chart area is given and we have already applied the different chart and there are different charts are mentioned, but we are going to apply the sparkline chart, that is called tiny or small charts. So on the rightmost side we can see this one is a sparkline area and we have different sparkline charts. We can see the line chart, the column chart, the win and loss chart, and the slices also there. So we are going to apply the sparkline chart on our numeric data. First of all, we have to select the particular cell address or a column where we want to display the sparkline chart. As we can see, we want to display the sparkline chart here and I have mentioned the heading sparkline. So after selecting the area, I will move towards the insert tab and then the sparkline and then the a particular type of sparkline. For example, I want to select the line one. When I will click, so you will notice that the create sparkline dialog box will appear on the screen. You can see. And there is a location of the range is already selected. And now I have to mention the data range on which I want to display the sparkline. So I can mention the data range here, the cell address from starting and up to the ending, or as well as I can select by using my mouse pointer. For example, I want to select this area to this area, for example. And after selecting the area, you can see the cell address are coming from B2 to C5. So I have selected the particular data range in which I want to display the sparkline. After selecting the data range, I will click on the OK button. So you will notice that the sparkline chart will appear on the screen. As you can see, the sparkline chart is coming and different options, features of sparkline is appearing on the screen. We can select any particular type of a sparkline. For example, we can select a particular color as well as We can select another type of a sparkline. If you do not like this one, so you have to move. You can select another one. For example, I want to select this one, convert. So this one is a little bit better one. So we can apply sparkline chart like this, and you can select any format, any color from the options appearing on the design tab. We can see, so we can apply the sparkline chart like this. I hope students that you have understood about that how could we insert the sparkline chart on particular range of data in Microsoft Excel sheet. If you have any difficulty, so you can ask. So in the next coming video, we will come with a new topic related to Microsoft Excel sheet. So until that, Allah Hafiz. I'm going to signing out.